so boom, this will be the last part of this video. I will be doing multiple parts of these you know what I'm saying, room transformation videos. So I'm gonna give you guys the last little update and do the last little bit with you guys. Hopefully this video is not too long. So guys, guess what, I got a new mirror. Oh my gosh, it is so huge. It looks small on camera, but baby, trust me, it's so huge. It's almost tall as my door, so that can show y'all like how tall it is, and it's much wider. So today I'm going to be putting the rest. I feel like I should put some wallpaper on this side of the panel, because but I am still going to be like, you know what I'm saying, like, hold on, let me turn this down. Hold on, bitch. I'm going to be putting like a flower thing over my door to cover the rest of that brown part. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Hopefully it comes out like how I'm, you know, envisioning it. I did run out of wallpaper, so I do have to order some more, but that's like kind of last thing on my list. I did went ahead on and ordered my new tall dresser that's going to go over here. And I ordered a new nightstand, so this nightstand is going to go, and this nightstand is going to go, that's by my bed. And I'm going to take out this chair and this this little stand right here. This corner is going to be clear. I might put my mirror over here so I can have more room over there. We're going to see how that goes. I was hoping I could put up the stuff today, but it didn't come early enough, but it's okay. So basically I'm going to take down these vines, try to put the wallpaper as close to the window as possible without taking down the curtains, and yeah, finishing on that wall. So I feel like I'm going to need about 4 to 5 more rows maybe. So I'm going to use the leftover wallpaper that I got, and I'm going to put it on the side of, you know what I'm saying, this panel, because I am going to be putting like flower decorations on there. And y'all, I don't know if I showed y'all, my LED lights are up around my room. It goes from over there to all the way behind my TV and down to the floor. And then also I'm going to be putting my portraits up and my lights up on this wall today. So we're going to see how I'm going to do that without moving all this stuff out the way. So yeah, this is a lot. This is a big project. I'm still not done. And over here I still have to put the butterflies and flowers up, and I'm going to be changing my curtains as well. It's just a lot going on. So y'all see the vision, right? I hope I explained a lot, because that's basically, it's not everything, because I still have to get another dresser, I still have to get another vanity chair, and I think that's it. And a neon sign and more decorations to put on the wall and stuff. I might be taking that down off that wall. So yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna look and how I feel about it. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, y'all not gonna believe this. Like, this really took me literally a long time to put these pictures inside of the frame. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. So first things first, I was going to put the rest of the wallpaper along the walls and stuff like that right there, because, you know, it's the details that count. Even though that I plan on putting vines and flowers right there, I still wanted to, you know, have that background of the, you know, the concrete wall. And I don't think I'm going to put it around my door, because of the simple fact of it's going to be a lot of, you know what I'm saying, thumbtacks and stuff. So I don't know about that, but I do have some vines that is run away. Hopefully it is enough. If it's not, I might be getting some more vines, but this process is actually long, y'all. I am just now editing this video, and I done came so far along with my room with other details. So I'm just trying to push this out here, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so behind. Like, I done did some more shit. I done switched up my room so many times, like, and I'm still ain't finished, y'all. So I'm just giving this a break so I can just push this content out for you guys, so I can get this done. And guys, I am doing Vlogtober and stuff, so this gonna be a lot. So yeah, so this wallpaper is very easy to manipulate, very easy to deal with. Everything that I'm like showing throughout these videos and stuff and throughout this process is going to be from the TikTok shop. Like my mirror, my vanity, this wallpaper, the portrait frames, the lights, the LED lights, everything I got is from the TikTok shop. I might start linking my stuff. It might be in the description box below. Check that description box. That's why I tell you guys every time to check that description. Also guys, I would say most of this stuff was free, but most of the stuff I did have to pay for. Like I would say the dresser that came, the nightstand, and also what else did I pay for? It was something else. I forgot. I think the mirror. Yeah, that too. And I got my pictures from Walgreens, guys. It was extremely cheap. I think they had a sale going on at the time. So it originally was going to be like, I think $60 for, I think 16 by 24. But I paid like $33. And also the frames were about $40, $50, give or take. So that was about like you might as well say $100 project just on that. And then I think the lights that's going to go above it was actually free from TikTok as well, y'all. I just been in my bag, honestly, like doing these reviews, doing these samples and stuff like that right there. Like, ooh wee. I can say this process was extremely tedious. Like, I thought like doing a wallpaper was literally going to take like 30 minutes. No, it took longer than that. Like, you have to really like make sure everything was all right all the way down to the floor from the top. And my ceilings are extremely high. Even when I had my step stool, like, it was just like crazy. Hardest part of this was doing the sides, like the corners, and cutting out the pieces and making sure it fits. That's why I'm glad like I had my little blade to actually like, you know, cut off the excess and stuff like that right there. Y'all, I don't know why, but I feel old. This has been making me like happy, like decorating my house, changing my house around, doing stuff like that to make me happy, because, you know, I pay rent, bitch. I want to be able to be happy, and when I come in my room, I want to be able to like it. So, you know, it is what it is. I don't give a damn. It's been a long time coming. Hey, I just, you know, I'm doing all this work. Hopefully I stay here. But y'all, these are the pictures I was talking about, y'all. And I did not know I was going to have to cut off the excess. Next time, hopefully I'll be able to, like, you know, get it right. Because I don't know if I measured the pictures wrong, or they printed them out wrong, or the frame was wrong, or whatever. But it's still, I made it do what it do, honey. You get me? I'm quick to pick a pair of scissors, bitch, and, you know what I'm saying, make some shit shake. So I cut off the white parts so they can't actually fit inside the frame. And honey, I have to stop doing this stuff under the influence, because, bitch, I done put this shit all types of backwards, upside down, turned around. I'm like, girl, pay attention, bitch. But yeah, I was just like, girl, you making it harder than what it is. But yeah, so I printed out some of my favorite pictures, and what I really love about this is I could change the pictures if I wanted to. All I gotta do is print out some more and then just change the, you know what I'm saying, the portraits if I want to anytime. So that's what I really love about these, you know, picture frames and this whole little thing, because when I, you know, change my mood and I get tired of looking at the motherfucking pictures, I just print out some out. And those pictures, if you guys remember, they were from my Valentine's Day little, you know what I'm saying, shindig I did for myself. It's really sentimental. I really love those pictures because even though I didn't have a Valentine or whatever, I took myself out that day, treated myself like a queen, you know, took pictures, went to the selfie museum. And all of those pictures, like, unedited, no filter. I took most of the pictures myself. Like, it was really a vibe. Like, if y'all want to go back and watch that vlog, go back and watch that motherfucking vlog, bitch. I did my hair. I picked out my outfit. Like, I have my own style too. Like, people don't understand, bitch. I love being different. I love standing out. I don't like looking like nobody else. Do you hear me, bitch? For the bitches in the motherfucking back. But y'all see what I'm talking about with the frustrations? I put the damn shit upside down. Had to, you know what I'm saying, redo it a couple of times. I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How many times I'm gonna have to do this? Girl, I was about to give up. I was about to say, come on now. A photo frame and some motherfucking cardboard ain't finna motherfucking defeat me, how? So yeah, I just took my time, got it together, put everything where it's supposed to be, try not to bend stuff too much, because I ain't want no wrinkles in my damn photos. That's gonna look real tacky. Honestly, guys, I could have did without the little covering that comes with the photo frame, simply because it's like less, like, you know what I'm saying, glossier. And y'all see what I was talking about? Girl, I ain't even put that on there, and I'm gonna have to do it again. This shit really pissed me off. Like, you just gotta pay attention when you do these things. Like, that's the reason why I had pointed that out, because I ended up putting the picture inside the frame without putting the covering on there. So this is exactly what it looks like after I done got done with all three pictures. Ain't they cute? Ain't they cute? So yes, I'm gonna put them all on the wall, but first I'm going to put up I forgot what I said I was gonna put up first. I don't know if I put the pictures up first. I don't know if I put the lights up first. But I had to move all this stuff out the way, unfortunately. And I was just like, oh my gosh. I still didn't organize my vanity at this point. Like, I was just over it. I felt like I was in a construction zone for a long time. And granted, I didn't have much help with anything because I put up everything by myself. And you guys gonna see that throughout this whole journey. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I didn't give up. I didn't tap out. I did that shit. I'm a real ass bitch. And yeah, the fuck? Who says women can't do anything? Who says I need a man to do anything? And don't. Even though it would have been nice to have somebody else, you know what I'm saying, do all these things and put the pictures up, put the furniture up, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta do it yourself. And this is what this process is about. And y'all, I really need some ideas for Vlogtober. Like, I just did my first Vlogtober vlog or whatever, and I was just like, what the fuck? It's gonna be a bunch of cleaning, bitch. I was just like, girl, you gotta do something. But yeah, we gonna figure it out. It's just gonna be fun. We're gonna have movie nights. We're gonna go see scary movies. We're gonna do this pumpkin patch. I ain't never been to a pumpkin patch before. I felt like that was for the whites, but hey, we might try it out this year. But yeah, so I ended up putting up the pictures first, and then I put up the lights, and I did everything with some thumbtacks. It ain't shit for real, but yeah, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I am in love. Do you hear me? Like, in love, in awe, in love, everything, bitch. Like, I just did this in like an hour, I would say, because I had to put the rest of the wallpaper up, remember, and then I had to align and make sure they matched up. And it was actually very hard to do that because, you know, I didn't have a ruler or a measuring tape, but I feel like I did pretty good. I think I did good. I love how it looks, especially with the lights off. I can put the LED lights on. Alright, y'all, couldn't find my remote, but anyway, so this is how it looks. Whatever this is, I'm not finished. I'm gonna be done really soon. But yeah, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my decor videos, period.